Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to import Visio files into Draw.io in 2026. If you have Microsoft Visio diagrams that you want to edit or view in Draw.io, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open Draw.io on your computer or in your web browser. Once the application loads, go to the main dashboard. Next, click File and then select Open From. Choose device or the location where your Visio file is stored. Now browse for your Visio file and select it. Draw.io supports importing many Visio diagram formats, making migration easier. Next, wait for the file to upload and process. Larger diagrams may take a few extra moments to load completely. Now review the imported diagram carefully. Check that shapes, connectors, labels, and layouts appear correctly after the conversion. If needed, adjust formatting, spacing, or alignment to improve the appearance of the imported diagram. Next, replace any unsupported elements that may not have converted perfectly during the import process. Now save the imported diagram as a Draw.io file so you can continue editing it in the future. Next, test the diagram by making a small change and saving it to confirm everything is working properly. Finally, export the diagram as a PDF, PNG, or another format if you need to share it with others. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to import Visio files into Draw.io. You can now open, edit, and manage Visio diagrams directly within Draw.io. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.